We pray for those affected by the rains, no? Ingat lang po tayo, no? As we continue to pray for the tension between Israel and Lebanon, yung border, no, nag-aaway-away, and of course Ukraine and Russia, and our intentions for the West Philippine Sea concerns we have, no? So we offer this together with all our prayers in this kind of weather. The gospel, again, ito yung pangatlong araw tungkol sa the woes, no? Kabaligtaran ng blessing, no? Kabaligtaran ng beatitudes. Again, no, kinukumpara sa mga about hypocrisy again, how important it is, how integrity is the opposite of what it is to be hypocritical, doble cara, no? What it is to be a hypocrite, we pray that we may have integrity, opposite of being hypocritical, salawahan, no? To be integral is one, no? Undivided, buo. With the help of God, may our hypocrisies, pagkukunwari, pagiging plastic ay maituwid. At ang napakagandang example ng ating santo ngayon, si San Agustin, is a wonderful example of that, no? Yung nanay niya ang pinagdibang natin kapistahan kahapon, ngayon si San Agustin, no? What a beautiful story of how he was able to get out of this hypocrisy, no? Yung duality, pagkukunwari. Alam naman natin ang kwento ni San Agustin, one of the greatest saints of our church, no? One of the many big contributors of the church, kung paano siya namuhay dati, no? Marami siyang mga kahinaan, maraming addiction, pero nalampasan niya to sa tulong ng mga panalangin ng kanyang ina at sa tulong ng maraming tao. Napakahalaga ng intercessors. Tayo nandito dahil marami namagitan sa atin. Marami hindi natin alam. No? Napakarami nagdadasal para sa atin, tumutulong sa atin directly or indirectly, but we thank the intercessors who help us to where we stand now. Anyway, si St. Augustine, we know how he led a very physical life, no, filled with many weaknesses. Pero because of a religious experience, because of an encounter with God, no, nagbago, no, so a perfect story of conversion. How he became, because of that, nagpabinyag siya, tapos siya'y naging pare, naging obispo, tapos naging founder ng Agustinians. Imagine, naging founder siya ng isang kongregasyon pa. No? His many great contributions to the church because of that, how God uses everything, even our weaknesses, yung ating duality, yung ating hypocrisy, how He converts it and makes it the same passion to be whole once again, para mabuo, maging kumpleto, to be integral. Kaya salamat sa hinayaan ng Diyos, gamitin siya na maging magandang halimbawa. Patuloy tayong binubuo ni Jesus. We cannot do it on our own, but with God and for those people who intercede for us, sana nga mabuo yan, no? Matulungan tayo magkaroon ng integridad at hindi pagbabalat kayo. Salamat sa kahinaan, naging kalakasan at halimbawa ni San Agustin. Salamat sa Diyos.